Good morning, students. Now, next topic is biconditional, or you can say by implication. This is a sim notation, if and only if, which is read as if and only if. Let P is a statement, Q is a statement, or you can say P and Q are two prepositions, right? The by implication of P and Q is denoted by this notation P if and only if Q, right? Both sides arrow mark, and this preposition has truth value T if both the preposition have same truth values. Once again, go through the definition. What are P and Q? P and Q are two statements. The proposition P if and only if Q is denoted by this notation P, both sides arrow mark, Q or this side. Now is true if and only if P and Q have same truth values, right? The truth value of by implication is true if both the prepositions or statements have same truth value, right? This is the truth table of the by implication. Now P is a statement, Q is a statement. Now B implies an implied Q. P if and only if Q. Now here P is true, Q is true. Now they have both the statements have same truth values, therefore the result is also true. Next one is true, false. P is true, Q is false. Next, the answer is false because both this P and Q have different truth values. Next case, first one is false, second one is true, therefore result is false. Next, fourth combination, false and false, right? Both P and Q have same truth values, therefore it is true. This is called biconditional. P arrow mark Q means P is necessary and sufficient for Q. Now next one, definitions. Tautology. Now a compound statement. What do you mean by compound statement? Combining two or more simple sentences or statements is called a compound statement. Now a compound preposition is said to be a tautology if it is true for all possible truth values, right? Or you can say a prepositional function is said to be a tautology if it is true for all possible truth values. That means if you construct the truth table for a given compound statement, the last column, the values, the truth values of the last column are truths, then that prepositional function or the compound statement is said to be a tautology. Now, contradiction. A compound statement is said to be a contradiction if it is false for all possible truth values. Right? Now, next one is contingency. A compound preposition or statement is said to be a tautology if it is neither a tautology nor a contradiction. That is said to be contingency. A compound preposition is said to be a contingency if it is neither a tautology nor a contradiction. That means the last column of the truth table contains some truths and some false. That prepositional statement or the prepositional function is said to be a contingency. This one is over now. Right. Next one. See. Next, a proposition is that is not a tautology nor a contradiction is called a contingency. It is another point. Now construct the truth tables for the following questions. There are 5 questions are there. We have to construct the truth tables for these prepositional statements or compound statements, or you can say prepositional function. For the first one, P arrow mark Q and Q arrow mark P. Right? Now see here, first one answer. First of all, how many variables are there? That means how many simple statements are there, that we have to identify first of all. Here P is a statement, Q is a statement. There is no other symbol, no? First of all, you have to write P, Q. And then we have to form simple compound statements. Now there is another, first one implication is P arrow mark Q. This is P arrow mark Q. Another compound statement is also there, that is Q arrow mark P. Right? Q arrow mark P and means PQ implies P. Now this and this is another compound statement. This is the bigger one, that means P arrow mark Q and Q arrow mark P. Right? Now this is the last column. Now first of all, you have to write of all possible truth values. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. These are the possible truth values or truth values for the prepositions P and Q. Now first one is P arrow mark Q. No, P arrow mark Q means implication. In implication, what is the point? Important point. A true statement cannot imply a false statement. That is, if the first one is true, second one is false, then first implies second is always false. Now here see, true implies true is true. True statement cannot imply a false statement. That's why answer is false. False implies true. Answer is true. False implies false. Answer is true. Right. Next, Q arrow mark P. Q arrow mark means in this direction. Right. Now first one you have to take Q and then P. Now from here to here, true implies true. True. False implies true. True. True implies false. False. False implies false is true. Now here we got this one, P arrow mark Q and Q arrow mark P. Now what we have to find out? Their conjunction. Conjunction means their intersection laga, right? And this one and this one. This column and this column. Right. Now that means what end and end, what are the truth values? If both are true, then the preposition is true or the compound statement is true. See, true and true, these two you have to concentrate. This and this one, true and true is true. False and true is false. True and false is false. True and true is true. Right? Now see here, this is a given compound statement. Right? This is a compound statement which has the truth values true, false, false, true. Right? It contains some truths and some false. Therefore this first one is called a contingency. Right? This is not a tautology, not a contradiction.